Hey there, art enthusiasts and tech wizards. Ever dreamt of turning your AI-generated art into a money-making venture? If so, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to reveal my top 7 platform choices where you can sell your AI art. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, these sites will help you showcase your creativity and reach a global audience. So, grab your sketchpads and your laptop, fire up your imagination, and let's dive into the exciting world of selling AI art online. Ready to discover how to transform your passion into profit? Let's jump right in.
Hey there, amazing artists and future entrepreneurs. Ready to dive into the world of AI art and start making some serious cash? Well, buckle up, because today we're counting down 7 great platforms where you can sell your AI art and make money. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your horizons, we've got you covered with some fantastic options. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with number 7 on our list. Wirestock. So, Wirestock is like the multitasker of AI art platforms. It distributes your art across multiple stock image sites and even lets you participate in creative contests with cash prizes if you want to. You can sell your original AI images, illustrations and videos too. Plus, it's super convenient with its AI image generator and upscale tools. Just keep in mind, there are some restrictions on duplicate content sold elsewhere. But hey, more platforms mean more exposure and earnings, right? Next up, number 6. Etsy. Etsy is a busy marketplace, alive, vibrant, and brimming with talent. It's the ideal spot to showcase your AI art to a broader audience. You can offer printable downloads, physical products like framed prints, and even customized merchandise. Sure, the competition is fierce, so excellent SEO, great descriptions and images are all a must, but with Etsy's established community of art buyers, you're in good hands. Rolling into number 5. Artsi.ai. Artsy is like the town troubadour of the art world, letting your creativity sing directly to the audience. Since there's no middleman, you can list any AI artwork you want to sell and set your own prices. Even a quick stroll through Artsy reveals an amazing array of whimsical and breathtaking AI artwork. It's quick and easy to set up an account for free. You keep 95% of your listing price, which means you can adjust your prices accordingly. Halfway there with number 4. Upwork. Upwork is a great place for offering personalized AI-generated art, connecting you with clients looking for everything from graphic design to 3D art. It's the perfect place for AI artists to showcase their talents by setting up a detailed portfolio. Just imagine your work here, catching the eye of potential clients and bringing in exciting projects. It's flexible, offering a wide range of gigs, but be prepared to invest a lot of time in bidding on jobs and building your profile. And now for the top 3. Starting with number 3. Number 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is a gem, no doubt. It's a fantastic option for AI artists, where you can offer custom image generation gigs and more and chat directly with buyers to create exactly what they want, tailored just for them. Just remember, you need to really market your gigs to shine among the many talented providers already there. Almost there with number 2. Printful and Printify. These print-on-demand platforms, also called POD, are fantastic places for creating and selling custom-printed products without any upfront costs. They offer a wide range of items, from apparel to home goods, and integrate seamlessly with e-commerce sites. And they handle all the printing and shipping for you. And now, drumroll please, the number 1 platform to sell your AI art is Fabrica. Fabrica is a fantastic platform for selling your AI-generated art. It's specifically tailored for creators, offering a wide range of digital products including graphics, fonts, and crafts. You can create and sell your art as digital downloads, making it super convenient for both you and your customers. Plus, Creative Fabrica has a huge audience of designers and crafters always on the lookout for unique content. There you have it, folks. My top 7 platforms to sell your AI art and start making money. Selling AI-generated art online can open up a world of opportunities for you. Focus on showcasing your unique style, leverage these platforms, and watch your creativity turn into profit.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and share it with your friends too. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.